Hi and welcome to another week of Activities with Ashley. This week we are going to be talking about citizen science, which happens to be one of our newest journeys for daisies. So if you're a daisy interested in citizen science, this might be a great way to start your journey. Everyone else, it's really great to get involved in citizen science and work really hard to help out the scientists to change the world just from the comfort of your home. So if you don't know what a citizen scientist is a member of the general public who collects and analyzes data relating to the natural world, typically as part of a collaborative project with professional scientists. So today I want to talk about being a citizen scientist in birding. Birding is a really great hobby where you learn about the different birds around you and then you go outside and you try to spot them. You can do this at parks, or it's something that you can do from your own home. With the permission of an adult, I recommend that you sign up for the website eBird. eBird allows you to track the birds in your backyard or local parks, take that information and give it to scientists at Cornell University. They're very interested in the migration patterns and different changes in birds in our ever-changing Earth. My suggestion to attract birds is to make a bird feeder. So that's what I'm going to show you how to do today. What you need is a toilet paper tube, some string, or I use the pipe cleaner, some peanut butter, and again, if you have peanut allergies, please do not use peanut butter, because it's not safe to use peanut butter if you have peanut allergies. If you're not sure if you have peanut or nut allergies, please ask an adult before using peanut butter. And a safe butter knife. In addition to this, if you'd like to add Cheerios or bird seed to your project, that would attract even more birds. But I try to keep our projects the things that we have at home so we can stay safe at home during coronavirus and social distancing. So let's get started. I opened up my peanut butter and I am taking out just a bit on my safe butter knife, and I am going to slather it onto the toilet paper tube. When you're done, make sure it's all slathered, and again, when you're all done, you can roll it in Cheerios or you can roll it in bird seed. Again, there might be some allergens in bird seed, so make sure that you speak with an adult before using the bird seed. And you have it covered all in peanut butter. You might want to let the peanut butter dry out a little bit overnight, and then you can go outside and tie it to your tree. From there, go outside, maybe use the binoculars that we made in a past Activities with Ashley, and see what birds you can see. Sign up for eBird with an adult's permission, and you too can be a citizen scientist. Bye everyone. Have a great week.